Hi, my name is Julia, and I will go with my sister's rollerblades. Yeah, I really fall. Sometimes it can be really easy, but this is how you learn. I went I don't like. Oh, okay.
Okay, that's it.